This is just a sample of the training available at itdvds.com. To see complete training, please go to itdvds.com. Let's begin the sample. Now let's create an inventory collection packages here, and I'm in my Application Compatibility Manager. I'm just going to click on Data Collection Packages. Let's go to File, New, and we're going to do an inventory collection package. Let's go ahead and select that. And we'll give it a name. I'm going to call this one Inventory Collection 1. And where should it put its data? You can see it auto-fills it to our compatibility log share. And how should the inventory package label its data? This is going to be if we have, we want to classify it. So basically we might have HR data, sales data, ops data. We can specify that in the package and create a package for each one of these departments if we wanted to break it apart like that. I'm just going to call this one Corp and click Create. And where do we want to put it? I'll just go ahead and put it on my desktop for now. And click Finish. Now there are a number of ways we can deploy this MSI. Basically it just needs to be run on the computer so we're trying to collect the data from. So we can deploy it with group policy, we can do things like create logon scripts, deploy it with System Center Configuration Manager, or we can just put it on a share and have our users run it, or we'll run it. So I'm actually going to create a share on this machine. Let's create it on our F drive here. Let's create a new folder. And I'm going to call this one Data Collector. Let's go ahead and share it out. And I'll just go to Advanced Sharing, share the folder, permissions, everyone read, that's fine. They're just going to copy it off and run it. Alright, now let's go over to another computer and run it. Okay, here we are on another Windows 10 machine or another desktop. And who's ever logged in to run it does need to be an administrator on this computer. So it was on desktop 131. Data collector, and we actually need to go back and put the MSI in that share. Okay, I'm back on the computer where we created the inventory collector. Let's go ahead and copy this, and we'll paste it into our share here, data collector. Okay, now let's go back over to our desktop 132, our other computer, and run it. Okay, here it is, and I'm just going to copy this off to my desktop here. And let's go ahead and just double click on it to run it. Click yes. And that's it. So again, however we choose to get this ran, it doesn't really matter as long as it runs. Again, we use like group policy. If we have a lot of different computers, we can create scripts in order to execute the MSI. The bottom line, it just has to run with administrative privileges on our computers. And we can actually go back to our Application Compatibility Manager, and we may need to hit refresh, but we can see successfully processed logs 1. So it successfully processed the logs from our other desktop that we ran that MSI file on.